FICO. This is one that Justin, I believe, covered on the show yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, this is one of these defensive growth names we've seen with some of like insurers and other things. This is like they check your credit scores. That's never going to go away. So it's breaking out here. I mean, it's pretty close to the 50-day line. So traditional breakouts often don't have struggled, it seems like. But when you're only like 4%, 3% from the 50-day line, it's not one of these things where it's a 30% base and you're surging up and you're 20% above the 50-day line. Is this going to be a massive winner? No, but it might be a steady winner. This is the kind of, that's been a real steady rise along the 10-week line, RS line at a new high. There's been some pickup, in the last quarter. I mean, it's like, again, the earning stability is low. I'm not sure if this is in long-term leaders, Chris, but it's lately it's had that feel again on that. I'm not.
Yeah, I think it's, I don't know if it was on the list before, but it definitely hits a lot of the parameters, although it, during the, pandemic, it really broke its uptrend.
Yeah, so that was an issue, but it is on long-term leaders. Yeah, so I mean, may have been resumed to it. So that's just something. I don't think this would be normally when we talk about buying a stock as a long-term leader, we talk about buying off the 50-day or even off the 200-day line. I mean, this isn't crazy off the 50-day line, but this feels more like a position trade. But this is something, because a lot of things might be volatile. Some sectors are struggling. This one is doing pretty well. It has pretty good growth. Pretty good stable. This is probably one that it's that you could definitely have in your portfolio. I think, and it would be a decent holding, and they're a little safer holding than others, while still offering a chance of some solid returns over time.
And to be clear, this is currently on the IBD long-term leaders list.
It is, yeah.
Thanks for confirming, Ken.